Greetings from our channel once again, as we delve into the fascinating realm of psychology. And in today's video, we're going to explore how money influences not only our spending habits and financial decisions, but also our relationships. We'll discuss how the psychology of money affects the dynamics of our interpersonal relationships, outlining various ways in which money can have a profound impact on our lives. In a world filled with complexities and nuances, there exists a force that intertwines with every aspect of our lives, shaping the very fabric of our human interactions. That force is money, a seemingly mundane tool of trade that holds within it the power to influence, transform, and illuminate the depths of our relationships. From the delicate balance of power dynamics to the tender exchanges of generosity and gratitude, we'll navigate the highs and lows of human connection through the lens of financial influence. So grab your curiosity and join me as we unveil the secrets, unravel the mysteries, and embark on a quest to understand the profound impact of money on our most cherished bonds. This is not just a journey of exploration, it's an invitation to delve deeper into the heart of what it means to be human. So, without further ado, let's go right into the fascinating realm of unveiling the secrets, how money shapes our relationships. The power dynamic. Picture this. You're out with friends and the bill arrives. Who picks it up? How do you decide? Money, my friends, is more than just a means of exchange. It's a subtle arbiter of power within our relationships, whether we like to admit it or not. The person with the most money frequently has some say over decisions about anything from where to eat to important life decisions. To conflict resolution. Love and money, the perfect recipe for conflict, right? Financial disagreements rank among the biggest sources of anxiety within relationships. However, it's not just about budgeting or spending habits. It's about how we navigate through those disagreements. Do we make concessions and speak honestly? Or do we allow money to get in the way of our relationships? 3. Social comparison. Have you ever found yourself lusting for your neighbor's magnificent home? Or your friend's brand new car? You're not by yourself. In social contexts, money has a cunning way of fostering comparisons. These comparisons might make us feel inadequate or united, depending on whether we're showing off our own money or feeling jealous of others. 4. Generosity and gratitude. Let's now turn our attention to a more positive side of money's influence. Thankfulness and giving, no matter how big or small, acts of kindness may improve our relationships with others. These actions may establish enduring relationships based on mutual respect and trust, from lending a hand when resources are needed, to merely expressing thanks for others' contributions. 5. Financial independence. The sweet taste of financial freedom. Releasing ourselves from financial bonds may have a profound impact on our relationships. It's about achieving autonomy and empowerment in our relationships, families and beyond. Not simply about escaping the bonds of debt or dependency. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Despite being only an instrument of commerce, the psychology of money has a significant and lasting effect on our relationships. We may traverse the complexity of human connection with more clarity and empathy if we are aware of the subtle ways that money influences our interactions with others. We can cultivate healthier and more fulfilling connections in our lives. I appreciate you coming along on this fascinating adventure with me. And don't forget to keep learning about the secrets of the human mind. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of psychology.